So what is self-empowerment? Now, people ask about this all the time, and we talk about self-empowerment, but do people really know what self-empowerment is? You see an empowered person. An empowered person is somebody who has all the resources within them to do whatever it is that they need to do in life. And that doesn't mean that they sit back in life and don't do anything in life. These are people who go out, they're empowered people. So they go out and they take on the world and they accomplish some pretty big things. And it's because they are empowered and they are self-empowered. Empowerment comes from within. And it's a belief in yourself that you're able and you're capable of doing whatever it is that you're setting out to do. And so when you're empowering people, helping to empower people, you're helping to get them into a space where they can actually believe in themselves and do the things that they want to do. So with hypnosis, if somebody comes in to me and they want to say they want to lose some weight, or they want to quit smoking, or they want to get some confidence, and then what happens is I don't fix them. What I do is I guide them through a process where they release whatever it was that was holding them back. They do the work. They release whatever was holding them back, and they create the new reality where they can accomplish whatever it is that they want to after that. They do the work. It's not me. So they become self-empowered. They become empowered. And I help empower people to be able to do that kind of thing. And hypnosis is a self-empowerment tool. And it will help you to be able to change your life and reprogram your subconscious mind to be able to do whatever it is that you want to do in life. It's a big change. If you want a big change in life, you want to transform your life, then hypnosis is an awesome tool for transforming your life. So you can go to my website and jeffbroomfield.com and you can book a free strategy session and we can talk about how hypnosis can help you transform your life. Make sure that you give me the thumbs up down here and that you subscribe, and also thanks for tuning in. And until next time, have a good one.